Hey there, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and this is stop number 2 of our touring the islands of French Polynesia. We are on a small little motu, which means island, off of Taha'a. Taha'a? I don't know exactly how you say it, but I'm going to give you a tour because this place is insane. Let's check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe while you're here. We'd love to have you guys follow along. Let's take a look at this. And look behind me. This is where all of the other bungalows are, and you can see the beach up in there. This is stunning. And I love how secluded and remote this is too. So this is where you do your little key, and then you come into your private outdoor space, which is so cool. There's a little sitting area. We just got a little bit of rain, which always is how this tropical climate is. Well, we're actually here during, it's January, February, so it's a little bit of like the off season, but most of the time the weather's gorgeous. We'll get a little rain here and there, but it's just quick. And there's a nice place to lay out here and all the view. By the way, this little floral crown, they gave it to me. They come and pick you up. Like, we rode the ferry and they just picked us up right at the ferry station, and they bring you to this little island and they greet you with a little song and you know, all the island tradition. This is another little deck down below, and you can just swim right off of here, which is so cool. Let's check out the inside. I can't wait to show you. Come on in. Isn't this insane? When I walked in here, I was just freaking out. So they created this. We talked to the general manager, who is French, and he was saying how they created it to feel like a boat, which is really cool. You can see all the detail. It does remind you of like Moana feeling, all that natural material and the wood, and just how they've done the details all throughout. The gorgeous walls. Look at this. I love it so much. So really just so much attention to detail. It's nice and cool in here. We have our own AC, and I'm gonna walk you through all the details because there's so much to take in at this property. They have thought of everything, and it makes, like, both Ben and I were just freaking out about how cool and unique this place is. So they give you water bottles, which is nice. And then down here with this little shell cabinet is your mini fridge. It's a mini bar, and all of this stuff's included. There's like a Twix in here, sodas. I think that's some Tahitian beer. Anyways, pretty freaking cool. And then they have like the water machine and the ice machine and stuff like that, just down the way a little bit. And then I loved this built-in bench. I thought this was so beautiful. And the gorgeous view. Look out that window. Like, this is the coolest, right? This is just unreal to me. Like, I almost want to cry. It's so beautiful. I don't know why I'm like almost gonna cry. Okay, and it's really cool too because they put flowers everywhere, so it smells beautiful and looks beautiful. This is a little day bed here, and I think this, yeah, this is like a real mattress. So if you have somebody with you, like a kid, I don't know why you'd bring a kid, but you could bring a kid. It's so romantic. It's so romantic. Come without kids. Just my 2 cents. I love my kids, but I also really like to spend time with my husband. So over here we have another thing that's gonna blow your mind. Okay, so this is like a beautiful bench right at the end of the bed, but check it out. You can open it, and that is the freaking ocean down there, and you can feed the fish. They said you can feed the fish. How freaking crazy is that? I'm mind blown. So genius, so cool. This says Maeva, which is welcome. It's a French word, and they even left us a personalized note, and it's so cool because even the note is held by, look at this. They literally like weave this as like a little stand for the note. So like you can't even grasp like how detailed and thorough all of this stuff is. The flowers, all the things. They have beautiful closets. You can see how this kind of feels like a ship too, how they have the bed in the center. They do have, this is something I wanted to call out. They have the outlets, so you can just charge your phone directly right here. So nice. And then the light switches are here too. And just the design of this is stunning. Like they just did so well, because this back part is a headboard, like the headboard would be is the desk. Does that make sense? It's like a desk board. But they've got these beautiful, you know, pillows, and then the desk. It's just so freaking cool. Like as an interior designer, this one is it. This one makes me so happy because they nailed the details of function and style, and then of course just that authenticity of the island. I'm going to show you the closet too really quick before we hop into the bathroom. In here, again, really cool detail, like with the rope, so it does have that kind of like you're in a boat feel. They've got the robes and slippers, extra blanket if you need it. Even you can see even the detail on the back of this closet is the gorgeous like woven, it's like a grass cloth, but even more a little bit thicker weave. So it's stunning. Like this place is a splurge, but I truly believe for the experience, and we haven't even, I almost think we need to like just pop in some footage too. Maybe I'll try and drop that at the end of some places around the grounds, because we haven't even explored it all, but they have a beautiful, we did see the beautiful beach. They have an ice cream place on site, all kinds of, it just looks like a stunning panoramic view anywhere you walk. So I'm gonna drop some of that in for you as well. And where you check in is like, it's like a giant boat. It's so cool. They have a boat in there that looks like the one that Moana takes out. So it's pretty freaking epic. So beautiful detail here. You can see this in these doors. And I love that on the sides of here are full-length mirrors. So that's pretty sweet as well. Let's go in here. Look, you guys, look. So again, with the boat theme, you can see like how they have these carvings, and this is so much like the Moana stuff as well. And look at the shape. Look at the shape of the tub. Super cool. And there's the little glass shelf. So I think this one might open as well, but you can see out to the water through that. Just incredible. Look at the beautiful little vanity areas. Again, with just the really cool details. They've got coral worked in to this like border. This is like a slate tile. Anyway, I cannot get over that. This is where the toilet room is. Again, with beautiful details. There's flowers even in there. And over here is the shower. Again, with the coral. And it seems like in everywhere we stayed in French Polynesia, they have the open air to the outside, so you don't get too steamy in here. There's like some mesh there, like screens, so that you have the air flow. And then it looks like they have all the shampoo and everything built in. So this place is epic. And this is Le Taha'a by Pearl Resort, I think it is. I'll link it for you in description, where I always link stuff. Thank you guys for following along. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I think you will love this place. Again, I think it's worth the splurge. So just my 2 cents. You can check out more of our adventures in French Polynesia over on my Instagram page, Adventuring with Molly, where I show you all the cool places to stay and fun things to do, good places to eat, stuff like that. Okay, we'll see you next time.